Okay, hold on. I see it. There is.
It's not perfect, but your bag's finally done.
I love the buttons. I love this.
The buttons aren't real buttons. They're clippies. 'Cause I hate buttons. I can't sew buttons on.
Oh no, that's perfect. And you did such a good job.
Unpopular opinion, I love the back too though. Like that was just supposed to be a back, but I kinda love that. And then the pinwheel pattern.
I love it.
Glad you like it.
I'm excited to use it.
Thanks for the commission, friend.
Because this is bigger than a normal tote bag.
It's very big. It's very big.
Massive.
Are you gonna be in front of your little store?
I'm gonna feel all fancy and stuff with my
Maybe I
thingy.
shouldn't.
And I don't have to balance things.
I don't want to those things. Come on.
I don't want to
Do a fancy.
do fancy.
Okay, now don't take yourself out with the bag though. That's not the
I'm
point
trying
of
to
it.
kill myself with a bag. I'm so excited. I can't wait to pack up now.